Step into the 2021 Jeep Wrangler. Top features include a split folding rear seat, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, front dual zone air conditioning, front fog lights, skid plates, and power windows. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop in and take a test drive.